Ponyville's greatest dessert makers face off in a jelly battle royale. Judged by the enigmatic ingenue of irresistible icing herself, Princess Celestia.
Ooh, a telepathy potion. Very chill.
This is not chill at all! It's the saltiest competition that ever called itself sweet. Even the most precise ponies go home with their heads hung low. Maintaining a clean workspace is vital. No pressure. Exactly. No pressure. It's just a series of incredibly competitive auditions followed by a callback, a bake-off, and a personal interview. Should be a breeze. All I need to do is practice, 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 and get feedback from my best buds.
Pony life!
Thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than that. Prepare to have your taste buds totally annihilated and revived stronger than ever by a Pinkie Pie original recipe. Watch as I create upside-down pancakes. Be flashy. Look the part. And keep it clean. I can do this. I can't. Simply cannot eat another bite.
You can't get up and leave this kitchen until you finish your dessert. Literally, none of us can.
We have to eat for Pinkie. Here's a little flash. Too much flash. Okay, I'll put my best face forward and... Oops. Oh, no. We're too late!
This is so raw. It's raw, beautiful television. Oh, and not only that, this is the best cake I've ever taken a dainty little bite of. Oh, you must be on the show.
Really? But my audition was a disaster.
Pony life!
We don't have much time. We're gonna have to split up the work. Each of you needs to make a layer of cake if we're gonna finish before the buzzer.
I'll do my specialty.
Apple spice?
Carrot cake.
Perf. Rarity, can you make your maroon velvet? Chef, yes, chef. I've always made a mean confetti cake. Not a chance, young sickling. Let's give those hooves a hot, soapy scrub. Then I'll tackle my family's famous chocolate cake. Fluttershy, can you do an angel food cake layer? I'm more of a devil's food cake kind of gal. But I'm happy to help out however I can. And I'll get started on the outside of this cake.
3 cups of flour, 14 carrots, cinnamon and butter, baking powder, brown sugar, and a hint of fall. Are we gonna get this all done in time?
Time to shine by slowing down. Time. No time is not time.
Honestly, I didn't have the energy.
Oh. Keep it together, Twi. Don't fall to pieces when your friends need you most.
Beautiful. Tell us, what makes this cake a representation of you, Chef Pinkie?
Even though I'm 100,000,000,000% sprinkles and pink and pep on the outside, I'm lucky enough to have the love and support of these 5 ponies. Their friendship truly makes me who I am on the inside. Just like each of these layers of cake. I wouldn't be Pinkie Pie without them.